everybody, this is Navneet. Today in this video we will be seeing how to make a Python code to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Alright, so first we will be looking at the theory part. Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula. Use this formula to convert a temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit. Alright, so the formula is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. So what we'll be doing in our program is we will take a variable called deg_c or something else that basically represents our Celsius. So we will take the input from the user, then we will just hit enter and we will type Fahrenheit is equal to the variable that we took. I am just calling it deg_c into 1.8. So in most of the programming languages, instead of this x we use a star instead of this x, and now plus and then plus 32, then we will print the Fahrenheit variable. Alright, so if we just print the normal print Fahrenheit variable, then if suppose I am just taking 33 degrees Celsius, it will be returning about 91 point something, so point something. So we will round off. So for rounding off some number in Python, you have your function called round off. So what we will be doing, we will be printing, and then we will add print, and in brackets we will type round or round, and then brackets inside that we will type our Fahrenheit variable. Alright, so let us jump into the code and see how to make that. So we will be making the code. So I am using Visual Studio Code as my text editor. If you don't have this, no worries, you can just use your IDLE. So here basically I have a main.py file, and it is the question is make a program to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Alright, so now we will be writing the code. So first let us take a variable called deg_c is equal to int. So one more thing, like if the user is entering some value like 33.5 or something like that, and then if we use int, then it will be showing an error. Then so basically what it says is you cannot add a decimal in int. So for adding a decimal like point values, you have to use float. I will be using floats. So floats, and then we will type here input for taking input from the user, and I will type enter the temperature temperature here like this, and alright, so this will be the message that we will be showing to the user. Okay, so now I will just save this, and now I will hit enter. Now I will type deg_f is equal to, so I remember that formula, it was Celsius into 1.8 and plus 32. So the variable we just took for Celsius is deg_c. So I will call the variable deg_c here. And so as I told before, in most of the programming languages it is star instead of x for multiplying, and deg_c into 1.8, and come out of the bracket and type plus 32. Right, so this is the code basically. So now I will type here print. So we have to print it, or else we will not get any kind of output. So it will run and then it will close only. So we want to look at the output also. So I will type here deg_f. So why I am printing deg_f is equal instead of deg_c. So it's clearly visible that deg_c, it will just take an input from the user, and if I type here deg_c instead of deg_f, then what the user enters will be printed. So and we don't want that, we want the Fahrenheit. Alright, Fahrenheit temperature. So now I will just run this program and I will show you the output. So I will just click this triangular run button, green color, run Python in terminal. So now I will take 33. So it is showing the weather here in Windows. So I will type 33, and if I hit enter, you will see 91.4, so 0.4, and so I don't want that. So we will round off the value. For rounding off, you have your round function. Here you can see round in Python. So now I will just call the function round, and then in this I will type deg_f. Okay, now I will run and I will enter the same Celsius 33, and I will hit enter. You will see 91. Okay, and now let me just run Python main.py once again, and I will type 34. So you can see the round off value, and it is showing no point values. Alright, so now we use the floats instead of int. I can also use int, but I will show you the problem in that. Okay, so first let me do a CLS. So I have to do CLS clear for terminal. So it's basically a terminal code, and now if I just type here python main.py for running our Python code main.py, and if I type here something like 32.3, and if I hit enter, you can clearly see here traceback error, value error. Alright, and says invalid literal for int with base 10 and the value we just entered. So what it is saying is you cannot add a decimal value in int. So for that we will use floats. Okay, and now I will another CLS and python main.py, and now I can type here point values also. Okay, and now you can see the round off value. Okay, now I will just explain you the whole code. So first, what are we doing here? We are just taking the input from the user here. Okay, so now I will just come over here and I will type taking input from the user. Okay, taking input from the user. I will hit enter. Now I will come over here and I can type here like converting the input number to Fahrenheit. Okay, so the formula I will type here and then I will have to use this, and then if I don't use it, it will show some error. Formula is cell which represents Celsius in Fahrenheit is equal to I will type here F is equal to C, that is Celsius, into I'll use X instead of star because we are not writing code here. I am just writing the formula. So I'll use X and into 1.8, then plus 32. Alright, so now and I will type here printing the output and rounding it the value like this. Okay, so we are just printing it, and in Python you have a function called round. It round offs the value, so we are just rounding off. Like example, now if something the output comes like 93.6, then it will round off the value and it will show 94 instead of 93.6, and if it is less than 0.5 like 93.3, then it will show 92, not 92, 93 it will show. Alright, so this is the code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Grasping Python, hit the bell icon, like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.